Hello, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't uploaded a video in like a year. I think it's been less than a year, but it feels like a long time. I've been busy, I've been focused on other things, but I'm back. So if you're completely new here and you're like, who is this and what is she talking about? I'm Josefien Hoekstra. I am a professional photographer from the Netherlands. Shooting this video in English because a lot of my followers and people that I do communicate with online do not speak Dutch. They think Dutch is some kind of weird magical fairy language. So yeah, bear with me. I'm sorry if you don't speak English or if you prefer me to do it in Dutch. I'm just gonna try it this way. We're just gonna do it. Hello. Yes. So, unboxing. So a couple of days ago, I visited the Dutch Hensel headquarters. Now Hensel makes studio equipment. And the idea kind of came up that I try out one of their newest sets and do a little unboxing, first impressions, and really tell them what I think. So that's what I'm doing today. Well, I'm doing the unboxing now, and the first impressions is gonna come later, so you have to wait for that. Stick around, subscribe. Today we're doing the unboxing of this beautiful beast. So let's have a look. So inside this box, we have two flashes, two lights. We have one 60 by 80 centimeter softbox with a speed ring, a 7-inch reflector, and a grid for the reflector. We have two light stands, a transmitter, two model lights, two power cables, and a kit bag. So this is a pretty, complete set. I think there's also an umbrella in here. I'm not sure. We're gonna have a look. We're gonna see what's in here and what it can do. Okay, so I'm gonna open this baby up. It should be pretty easy. I like that. Let there be light. Okay, Hensel, what we got? So inside this box, we have another box. Well, this is the travel case that it comes with, so let's get that out. One to go. So it's all in here, which I think is really cool. This is like a really easy travel bag, like a shoulder strap and these things. So if you want, you can easily take this on the road with you. And I mean, it's not very heavy. So that's very neat. I think that's a nice little touch that you get this complete in a bag and you can just pick it up and go, and anywhere where you can get power, you can work with these. So, okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm just gonna grab random things and see what's up. So this is the little grid that goes into your reflector, and I think the reflector is here. Yes. So this is the reflector. This is a very basic, cute little reflector that you can put on your lights. This bag contains some fuses, a modeling light, and a little screwdriver. I think the screwdriver is for setting the channels on your lights. I'll look into that when I do the first impressions. This is the trigger set, the transmitter, to actually, trigger your lights. That's the power cables. Another power cable. And then, let's grab one of the lights. Okay, so there's two of these in the box. Sorry for all the crunchy plastic noises. So there's two of these lights in this box, and one of them is 400 and the other is 200. So they're not like super high powered. So like they're really for like people who are just starting, who are shooting in a small studio or even at home or whatever, and not people who need like crazy overpowered lights. Like a lot of professionals, I don't think they will, reach for this because they have higher powered lights. They have stuff that's a bit more heavy duty. But this is like a beautiful little lightweight light that you can, well, you can travel with it, and it's easy and it's pretty straightforward. Like when I see these buttons, I don't get confused, which is always good. So yeah, that's nice. And like also their system is really easy. Like to put your attachments on here, you just, and then you can grab this, and bam, it's on. This is like honestly the easiest system I have used so far. And then in here you can see the modeling light, the flash tube, and then the glass protector, which is really nice. It's looking really good. Okay, let's put the protective cap on for now. So this is the 400, and then back here we have the 200, and well, it's the same except it's less powerful. So this is the 200. Again, same thing, except with this one, I still need to put in the modeling light. It's not in here yet. I'll struggle with that later. Well, probably won't struggle, but we'll see. Okay, what else is in here? Okay, so we got light stands. I mean, what can I say? It's a light stand. But it does look good. Do they have air pressure? No. No air pressure, but seems sturdy enough. And the lights aren't really heavy, so this is going to be just fine. In here is the softbox. So this is like a nice build-it-yourself kit. I mean, every softbox arrives kind of like this, and you have to put it together. And it has all the components in here. Looks good, looks good, looks good. So again, I'm gonna put everything together later, but I will record me actually doing that so you guys can see like how easy the setup is and how to do it at home. All right, so next thing is the speed ring, which attaches to your camera, and then you can try again. This is the speed ring, which attaches to your light, and then you can attach your softbox to it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put that here with the softbox. The table is becoming very full. Then we have another light stand, and then I think that's all we have in here. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of stuff, and a lot of things to look into, to assemble, to play around with. So this is like a very nice little set to get started with. You got all the basics. What I would recommend is getting like a proper reflector. So if you want to do a setup where you're kind of clamshelling your model, you can use your softbox and then a reflector to light from below. And that's like something cheap and easy that you can add to this set, and it can be like really versatile, and you can do a lot of stuff with it, which is pretty cool. Later today I have a model coming over, and I'm going to try out just everything from this set, and I'm going to see what I can do with it, how easy it is to use, and how the results look, and I'm going to show them to you in the next video. So that's going to be like my first impressions, and that's going to be a two-parter, because I'm starting with just what's in this set, and then I'm going to add some extra things that I also got when I was visiting. So there's one extra light and a different light shaper. I'm going to be talking about that a bit as well. So that's something to look forward to. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and you can watch that video next. You can see like my impressions and how I feel about working with all of this, and you know, if it's any good. I'm curious. I'll let you know. So this set retails for around 1,500 euros, which is, I think, a really sweet deal for what you're getting. I'll try to find out what exactly the price is. I'll put some links in the description so you can have a look and see if you would like to purchase. But, you know, definitely stick around for the first impressions review so you can see if it's actually something I'm going to recommend. Because right now, I love it. It looks great. But we're going to have to know for sure if it's good, you know, if you can actually create awesome portraits with this. Because it is a portrait kit. So let's see what this portrait kit can do. Stay tuned.